not only your dreams and visions of reality, but the collective dreams and visions of reality, creating this tidal wave of energy and emotion that we are riding with the Pisces full moon. And then as that energy is coming up, this is me talking, I want to say this right now, that we are these waves. We are this continual fluctuation of energy. That Pisces moon that we're feeling right now, this is a constant state of our emotions. This Pisces moon represents energy in motion and the way that those waves are waving, the way that the ocean waves to us. This is like your internal waters are constantly waving. And we grasp onto a particular wave and call this my emotion. But it's not true. Every wave comes to an end and it retracts, and then it comes in another form, and here's anger, and then here's bliss, and then here is this joy coming, and they're just continually coming, but we grasp onto them. And so I think when people are saying release your emotions, I think it's just weird. Like, if I am these waves consistently flowing and moving, where does the release come? They are releasing. They're doing what waves do. And it's just my mind that thinks I need to release something. If I just let the waves wave me and move me, they have a natural progress that happens. So all I need to do is stand back, and I had this experience of floating in Kauai once. It was so scary, but also so liberating to just fully surrender into the waves and let them move me however they're going to move me. And we're always held and safe. The emotions, as our dear friend mentioned in that podcast that you so beautifully facilitated, those 103 emotions that we are expressing and experiencing, the more that we allow them to wave us, the more and more access that we have to more of them. So I'm seeing 52.5. We maybe have experienced only half of emotionality that we're capable of experiencing as humans. And like whenever you want to work with entities, say, or some sort of spiritual energy that you may not understand, you're only going to be able to work with as much as you are capable of in the sense of what you have said yes to. Some people are scared of ghosts. Some people are scared of the dark entities. Some people are afraid of those, so therefore they won't experience them. The same way with emotions. If we have said yes to a certain limiting, which, so many people have said yes to only this group of emotions, they won't have full access. Therefore, they will never reach that full aloha ma that we are here to evolve into, that other 52.5 that we haven't yet reached. So allowing the waves, allowing them and letting them move and do what they do. Okay, so thank you so much for letting me read your